No matter what paper crafting project you're working on, it's always the last few finishing touches that really bring everything together and make your creations feel complete. That's where embellishments and ribbon come in. These little details are perfect for adding texture, style, and that extra bit of flair to your projects without adding more paper elements. Here at Stampin' Up, we've been creating high-quality embellishments and ribbon for quite some time, and our latest collection is better than ever. With so many options to choose from, there's no better time to shop than right now. So, let's dive in and check out some of the all-new embellishments and ribbons from our 2025 to 2026 annual catalog. First up, we have the 2024 to 2026 in-color flat pearls. Just look at how beautiful and transparent these pearls are. They're perfect for adding a subtle, elegant touch to your projects, making them truly shine. Next, we have the loose gold sequins. These shiny sequins add just the right amount of sparkle and flair to your designs. Whether you're using them for shaker cards or as individual accents, they're sure to catch the eye. For those of you looking for something a bit more modern or bold, check out the shades of green hexagons. These embellishments are perfect for adding a sharp, contemporary look to your projects. Now, let's take a look at the pressed flower motifs neutral gallery wall adhesive backed embellishments. Featuring a unique antique gold look, these are great for adding a classy, timeless touch to your projects, especially if you're going for that vintage vibe. Next up are the Flower Accents Kintsugi embellishments. With their gold flower finish, these are perfect for your more sophisticated and elegant designs. They add a touch of luxury to any project. And finally, we have the muted palette dots. This set includes 25 of each color: Daffodil Delight, Petal Pink, Cloud Cover, and Mossy Meadow. They're perfect for adding a splash of color to your projects without overpowering your design. Now, let's move on to ribbon. Starting with the Timid Tiger faux linen ribbon, this ribbon is soft, flexible, and perfect for adding texture to your creations. We also have the Strawberry Slush faux linen ribbon, which adds a fun pop of pink, and the Secret Sea faux linen ribbon, bringing a cool, ocean-inspired vibe to your projects. And for a warm, cheerful touch, try the Darling Duckling faux ribbon. Lastly, we have the Misty Moonlight and White starter ribbon pack, which includes two beautiful ribbons in Misty Moonlight and White. Perfect for layering and adding that final touch to your designs. I know we went through these products pretty quickly, but if you're interested in learning more about these gorgeous embellishments and ribbons, or if you'd like to see more options, be sure to visit our website or contact your local demonstrator. They're always ready to help you find the perfect products to make your projects shine. Thanks for joining me today. Happy crafting, and remember, it's the little details that make a big difference.